Good morning students. Today we are going to understand next two sums from accounting ratios and analysis. Sum number 12. From the following information of R Company Limited, calculate total assets debt ratio. The formula for total assets debt ratio equals to total assets divided by non-current liabilities. Students, you will see that here non-current liabilities are given, only total assets are not given. So you know that when we will prepare balance sheet, here we will record liabilities amount rupees, assets amount rupees. Then the total of liability side and total of asset side will be equal. So here all liabilities, reserves and capital is given. So we can find out total assets like this way. Total assets, preference share capital equals to 6 lakh, equity share capital 10 lakh, reserves and surplus 2 lakh, then non-current liabilities 4 lakh, and current liabilities 4 lakh. Then total 6 lakh plus 10 lakh plus 2 lakh plus 4 lakh plus 4 lakh, we will get 26 lakh. These are total assets as well as total liabilities. With capital and reserves and surplus. You know that total assets equals to total liabilities with capital and reserve and surplus. So total assets will be 26 lakh. So we will put this value in the formula 26 lakh divided by non-current liabilities, which is given 4 lakh. 26 lakh divided by 4 lakh, we will get 6.5. Then 6.5 ratio 1. This is our final answer for total assets debt ratio. और इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 12. अब करेंगे नेक्स्ट सम नंबर 13. फ्रॉम द फॉलोइंग इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ टी कंपनी लिमिटेड, calculate proprietary ratio. The formula for proprietary ratio equals to owners funds divided by total assets. First of all, we will find out owners funds equals to equity share capital plus preference share capital plus reserves and surplus. Equity share capital 12 lakh, preference share capital 8 lakh, reserve and surplus 4 lakh. Then total will be 24 lakh. 12 lakh plus 8 lakh plus 4 lakh. Then these are owners funds. Then after that we will find out total assets, and for the total assets here non-current assets and current assets are given. Non-current assets 12 lakh, current assets 24 lakh. So total assets equals to non-current assets plus current assets. 12 lakh plus 24 lakh. We will get 36 lakh. Total assets equals to 36 lakh. Then we will put these values in the formula. Owners fund 24 lakh divided by total assets 36 lakh. 24 lakh divided by 36 lakh, we will get 0.67. Then 0.67 ratio 1. Then this is our final answer for proprietary ratio. और इसी के साथ कंप्लीट होता है स्टूडेंट्स हमारा सम नंबर 13. स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट टाइम मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट सम्स के साथ. स्टूडेंट्स आपको हमारा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू सपोर्ट अस. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.